In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and let me show you how to remove all the settings in this phone. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select System and Updates, and reach Reset right here. Then select Reset All Settings, which are at the top of the list. And if you truly want to reset all settings and only your documents will not be deleted, but remember that all settings will be reset, including those for fingerprints, face data, lock screen password, and also network settings. So all your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and network data will be also removed. And if you truly want to do it, just tap on Reset All Settings, confirm it by tapping on Reset All Settings again. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you need to be 100% sure that you want to do it. And if you are, just tap here and wait until it is done. And as you can see, it has been done. So all settings have been reset, and now you can customize everything from scratch. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.